Hello everyone. Hey everyone, welcome. In this one I will show you how to open HTML in browser in VS Code. So guys, luckily we have a bunch of extensions that allow us to do certain things that, natively in the VS Code are not supported. So you can't do this in here. Instead of that, just go to the extensions. You can click on here or you go View and Extensions. And in here, just type in Open in Browser. And just install this extension. As you can see, it's very popular. So just press on install, cross publisher and install. Okay, installed. Also, you have a small explanation if you're looking how to use this. As you can see, you can also read this small tutorial. So as you can see, as said in the usage, we can use Alt+B shortcut to open the HTML file that you've opened in the default browser, or Shift-Alt-B to choose a browser in which to open. So let us go back to HTML file and press on Alt-B. And as you can see, now it's choosing and showing us this pop-up window that allows us to open this file in the browser. Just click on Always, and then you're set. Now your file will instantly open in your browser. Enjoy guys, if this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next guide.